Folder display photos and videos based on the directory structure. This is ideal if you prefer managing files by folders or organizing content by project or timeline. On the folder page, click the All Files icon in the top left corner to view the full hierarchy of linked personal and shared folders. Double-click a folder to open it, and use the top navigation bar to quickly go back to the previous level. You can also right-click or select a folder to perform actions such as downloading, inviting uploads, adding to album, renaming, changing the cover, or moving, copying, and deleting. Use the filter button in the top right corner to switch between personal and shared files. If you don't want to use the folder view, go to Settings, open General Settings, and turn off the folder view option. Keep in mind that when a folder contains a large number of photos, the system needs to generate thumbnails and run AI recognition. The initial scan time depends on the number of files and may temporarily affect NAS performance. Favorites feature lets you mark important or preferred photos and videos so you can easily find them no matter where they are stored. You can favorite a single photo from the detail view using the heart icon, or select multiple photos in the library and add them to favorites from the three-dot menu. To view your favorites, open the Favorites section in the sidebar. All saved items will appear here. Click the heart icon again to remove items from favorites. You can also filter and sort content here to quickly find what you need.